What's your favorite memory working with the Hanmix team?
It is a very memorable business trip with you guys during the visit in China. Even I can really memorable way to find a more the solution or support, and also to develop your brand in my the business area.
How would you describe our relationship in one word?
It is reliable actually.
What are your hopes for our cooperation in the next 5 years?
Yeah, actually, I hope in 2026 we can grow up together, and we can make a good cooperation, and very best is the business the dealing in 2026.
Pinoy, thank you so much for your support. You are
Okay,
always
thank you
my
so
best friends. Please have a look.
Wow,
Yeah.
so good.
Okay.
Handmade.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Starbucks.
Maybe for
coffee.
your
Yes,
wife.
nice.
Can you check? This is also our purple color.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Handmix for you.
Ah, okay, thank you. Very nice. This one will be the most important thing for everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
know?
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Very useful.
Thank you so much.